Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from the Let's Meal Prep app. Welcome out. We got 3 beautiful dishes for you, which are going to be amazing because it's cold right now.
For us.
It's like 28 degrees outside.
You guys on Thursday.
Oh, on Thursday.
We're already on the other side of this cold snap.
That's true.
But we wanted comfort food.
We wanted comfort food today. And these are beautiful dishes. I'm telling you what. I'm going to start over here with our orange cilantro chicken. This is, oh man, I can't wait to eat this. But cut up the chicken, put it in the sauce first, let it marinate as long as you can, especially if you're making other dishes. Just do this last because it cooks really quick. So we have orange cilantro chicken with some cilantro jasmine rice and roasted broccoli. And then over that, we're gonna serve some cold salsa here. So we got avocado, pineapple, and black bean salsa.
Yum.
Just mixed with some lime juice and salt.
Yep.
That's really all you need. So once you heat that up, put some cold salsa on it, sprinkle some flake salt. Oh, it'll just be great.
Yes.
It'll just be awesome. We still have some venison that our sister-in-law gave us. So we made a venison goulash.
His sister-in-law.
My sister-in-law, yeah. Your sister. Obviously, you can make this with ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you like. Bison. That's probably what we would have done. Simple goulash here. We wanted to use elbow macaroni, but I couldn't find it in less than 5-gallon bags. So I got some farfalle. And then we steamed some more broccoli because broccoli was looking really good.
Why so much broccoli, Ben?
I love broccoli.
His favorite veggie.
I love broccoli, guys. Amy wasn't with me at the store, so she gets what she gets.
Yep.
But I did buy all these other veggies for this great little fall harvest soup here. And this has got butternut squash, some golden beets, some cauliflower, some garlic, some onion.
All roasted.
All roasted
to really give them flavor, and then blended with broth and almond milk.
And then we made some homemade cashew parm right here. So what you do, it's a 1:3 ratio. Use 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast to 3 tablespoons of finely crushed cashews, and then add some basil, oregano, garlic, and onion powder. Salt and pepper to taste. You add that in the soup. This is a good vegan substitute for Parmesan cheese, so you can sprinkle this over your soup when you're ready to eat it.
And there is a little blended into it already.
There's about a couple tablespoons already in there.
Hey, the vacuum cleaner's out.
We did the almond milk in there too. What'd you say?
I said the vacuum cleaner's out.
When you got dogs, you got hair.
Yep.
But it's not in the food, hopefully.
Never know.
Guys, here it is. This is our amazing dishes for this week. I hope you love it. They were very simple to make. And let us know what you like. And I hope you guys have a nice weekend. All right, take care.